Hello everybody, it's Georgie here from Blue Anchor Leisure. Hope you're all really well. If you haven't already noticed, we are over at Buttercup Meadows today. This is our extremely popular holiday park in Chapel St Leonards, just off Golden Anchor. The reason it's extremely popular is bases don't come available on here very often. So this is a one-off, guys. If you have been waiting for a pitch to come available on here, now is your time. So this is the ABI Beverly. This is a brand new holiday home, and it does come with the huge wraparound decking free. And not only is that free for this season, so is 2024's site fees. So it's a real bargain, guys. So 3 bedrooms, sleeping 8 people. It is central heated and double glazed. We can have it ready in around a week's time for a new owner. We just need to do some safety tests and another clean. And it's priced at £52,995. Really can't see it hanging around for very long, as it's a popular static on a very popular park. So you do get the ensuite in here as well, which is unusual for a 3-bedroomed holiday home. So it does come with 2 toilets. Plenty of room in the bedrooms as well to manoeuvre around. If you would like any information on this holiday home or any of the holiday homes I have available, we do have a choice of 17 holiday parks, and I can help you with any one. Please do like and subscribe to my page and share with your friends and family. My number is just at the bottom if you would like to give me a call. Thank you.